How to play music and sounds through your mic on Discord. The first thing you want to do is to open up your preferred web browser and then go into this website. Simply type in voicemod.net. You will be routed to the VoiceMod website and then just go ahead and click on Soundboard. Once you click soundboard, just simply click get the soundboard and it will be rerouted to another page in which you have to log in first or connect soundboard to your either your Google Mail account for you to be able to get the download link. Now, once you have downloaded the file, just simply install it properly. And after installing it, we'll have to go through voice mod settings first before we enable it through our Discord. So open up the software, and then from here, all you have to do is to click the user settings right here, and then make sure that under your input is currently connected to your microphone. There. And then if you scroll down and click advanced settings, make sure that noise gate is turned on and uh make sure that noise gate level is just average. Now, if you wanted to upload music and you want to play it through your Discord, just simply press in soundboards. Now from here, this is where you can upload or add music. Just simply click on either of these folders right here. For example, this one. Now from here, you can go ahead and search for an existing music that VoiceMod has, or you can choose to upload your own music. Just simply click on upload sound and choose the file that you want to upload. Now, once your VoiceMod is ready, you can also go ahead and set up a key bind. For example, just click below this microphone icon right here. So you can choose any keys you want. Let's say A, and that's already set up. So if you click on A and go through your Discord app, the music will automatically play itself. If you press on A again, it will automatically stop. Now let's go ahead on our Discord. Now on your Discord app, all you have to do is go to your user settings on the gear icon. Then you scroll down and go to voice and video. And from here, make sure that your input device is currently on your microphone. And then once you enter any channel servers or maybe do a private message, all you have to do is to click or to press on the hotkey that you set up or your keybind from your voice mod so it will fully activate. So that's how you play music and sound through your microphone on Discord.